bitches, I'm Aaron and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this look right here. This look is inspired by Ryan B. Potter. I'm gonna include a picture of the inspiration right here. Ryan B. Potter slays. I just love him so much. This look, by the way, is so easy, and if you want to know how to achieve this look right here, then please keep on watching. Right, now to start with this glam, I'm first gonna start with just pretty much a bunch of concealers because I don't really have like a white face paint, and like I didn't consider like buying one because like I'm only going to use it for like Halloween looks. After I filmed like the tutorial of it, I'm gonna remove it like right after, so I feel like it's not gonna be worth it. By the way, I first went in with the Wild Photofocus foundation. This is a shade lighter than me, and then I'm gonna be going with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5 and just use this as foundation. If you have like a white face paint, I would like rather recommend that because that would make this look a lot more dramatic and a lot more scary. But like I don't recommend using like a poster paint. Like if you have that, don't use that as alternative for your face. I think it's not safe for the skin. I tried doing this like makeup look, okay? It was a Halloween makeup look. And I'm gonna use this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Flirtation Flirt. My forehead, bitch, my forehead. Just going to put this like over the top of that. I just dipped on it again. This is just I promise I'm gonna do like better Halloween makeup looks. Bye. I had the look envisioned in my mind, but it failed, and I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I feel like I just didn't trust the process. Halloween looks are not really like my expertise. Like I'm still practicing Halloween looks. I'm still like on my training wheels. To set this base, I'm gonna be using a flash backing powder, or like a powder that leaves like a white cast. But it's a good powder, but like I suggest you get your own shade. Like don't get translucent because like translucent isn't really translucent. Like after you like kick it off, like you know when you bake, it just leaves this white cast. However, it's a really good powder. I love the oil control of it, I love the longevity of it, but just really leaves this white cast. We're just gonna let that sit there for a little while. My gosh, I look so horrible. Right. And for my brows, I want to make like a bold, dark, almost black brows. I'm first gonna be going with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. This is a little dark, but it gives a little like brown tint. So we're gonna be working with that brown tint later. Now you can see that brown tint, and that's like kind of giving me like a little like medium hair type of brow, and I do not want that. So I'm kind of turning this like into a little black action. Perfecto. So I'm just gonna be using this Benefit the Real Lash Mascara. The brows are now done. We can now move on to the fun part. Tracy Van is so hot. Comment down below if you think he's hot. For the whole like dripping thing, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Stunner Lip Paint. I know bitch, but I have no other choice. I have no any like drugstore red liquid lipsticks, and I'm just gonna be putting it like in a little pen like this. Hold on, I forgot something. In Ryan B. Potter's makeup look, he didn't bronze or like do like any face makeup at all. He just went straight on the like dripping thing and lips thing. But for me, I feel like a nice gray or cool toned contour is gonna make the whole look a lot more bold, a lot more fiercer. So I'm just gonna be going with this shade right here from the Wet n Wild ColorIcon eyeshadow palette in the shade in Rose in the Air, and it's a nice like kind of like gray slash cool tone to contour. Why is that giving my face life? You know, like bronzers, they give your face dimension. That it gives you this unsickness type of vibe, but that is not what I'm trying to achieve for this look. Actually, that's not that bad. And then I think I'm gonna be going with a little bit of this shade right here, like kind of put that on top. Too much, bitch. Too much. Do I like that? I mean, I already did it. I shouldn't have done that. Like, I don't like it. And then just the jaw, just a little bit. By the way, as you can notice, I didn't bronze my forehead because I'm gonna do like a little something different, a little something exciting. Okay, let's do this. When did I do that? Let me just fix that. I'll be right back. I'm just putting a little bit of blush right now. Okay, anyways, moving on to the whole came through dripping. Yeah, I call that came through dripping. I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Stun Lip Paint. Put it in this little situation right here. Then just like so suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. Okay, so before you do this, you pray. Hello? I'm not yet opening my eyes because this liquid lipstick kind of transfers, so I want it to be like fully dry. And make sure you go all the way onto the hairline. Hi, so we don't want that like little harsh action going, so just kind of like diffusing that. You can use like the brush that you've used a while ago and just like soften that. And I think it's gonna be like a lot more dramatic if I dip again onto the contour sheet. This is like the little bronzing action for the forehead. I'm gonna put on a lash now. I'm thinking of like putting a matte blush just from Ofra. Yeah, I think we should do that. I'm gonna put on a bit of matte blush on the nose. So I think we're almost done, but I think Ryan B. Potter, I'm not like trying to exactly copy Ryan B. Potter's makeup look, but this is close to his, but not like exactly close to his makeup look. He also did the neck, but I feel like there's so much action going here and I don't want like more action here. So what I'm gonna be doing is just like connect all these lines right here and just do a little big, not a little, a little big, a big circle on my neck. Okay, so we are now done with the look. Don't use a setting spray on this look, especially because you've used a liquid lipstick. Chances are the liquid lipstick might bleed. What do you call that? The liquid lipstick might run. But anyways, if you have a wig, a red or a black wig, oh my gosh, imagine, then please use that, because that will make this look like a lot more dramatic. But I don't have a black or a red wig, and I don't consider purchasing one because I don't have that much money. I'm just gonna change my shirt. I'll be right back. Distance between this and this is giving me anxiety. This liquid lipstick transfers. I chose to wear like a white polo because like, you know, you see, it just fits with the vibe. Like I look like that. If you don't have all the materials for such Halloween looks, I recommend you do this. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. And of course, bitch, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like you're already here, like don't be rude, subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to check my social media accounts, which are Facebook. As all of you may know, I have a Facebook page which is The Biatch. You can go check that out, but it's not really growing, so I'm not really active on that. But you can go check it out. And also my Twitter and my Instagram, bitch. Check my Instagram. I upload makeup photos there and makeup videos, and not my Snapchat. No, bitch, I don't use Snapchat anymore. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.